Guys, there was a latest update on Omega network. Guys, these people are building something. They are building something, but people are not seeing it, right? People are not seeing it. And one thing I like about this project is they are doing their things like Pi Network. They are doing their things like how Pi Network did, right? So the latest update I want to talk about is their KYC, right? Their KYC. If you swipe here, you can see human node verification start soon in 2026 first quarter of this year. You can see also here, you can see human node verification, which is the HNV, is scheduled to commence in phase 2 quarter 1. All Omegans are required to ensure that the name on their account exactly match the name on their with their national ID or something else that can use to be do for the KYC. And it is not only that, like there's an update on this project. So if you come to the profile section here, with the top here, so here you can see, you can see verification. Once you tap on it, you can see this is the upcoming verification. There will be human verification, which is their facial verification before submit your KYC, and the human verification or the face verification will be in phase 2, which is the first quarter of this year. Every 3 months is quarter, which is January, February, March is first quarter. That's how. So if you count 3 to December, that is the fourth quarter. That's how it is. So and January, February, March is 1 quarter, which is the April, May, June is second quarter. So that is how the quarter it is. If you see quarter in this crypto space, that's how it is. And it's not only that. If you come to here, you can see mainnets. This is where I am saying that they are doing things like Pi Network. You can see unverified balance like Pi Network here, the same thing, and transferable balance also like Pi Network, and migrated balance. Guys, you don't see they are building something. They are building something, but people don't know. And I don't blame people because you don't have anyone to tell them about those things, that they are building something like Pi Network, or they don't have people to tell them about something like this, to join some opportunities like this. So if you do a video, people are just watching the video, but they are not giving their mind to you, or they are not participating in what you are talking about. But at the end of the day, you see I saw a certain video like that, but that time is too late. So this is an opportunity, another opportunity to start, another opportunity to I can say this is the next Pi Network, right? This is the next Pi Network, because you can see everything looks like Pi. So guys, that is how some of the updates I'm talking about. And guys, if you come to here, collaboration section here, this is another thing also. It is like Pi have a certain place like this to become an ambassador for them, right? You can see you need to have at least 1,000 followers on any of the platform listed below to be accepted as ambassador. So YouTube channel link, Twitter account link, and Telegram channel link, right? So that is how, guys, I was talking about their things like Pi Network. They are building something, but people are not seeing it. So these are some of the things. So guys, you are not too late. You can see Omega ambassador, so you can connect with them. So this is phase 2 will be the verification. This is the first quarter of this year. And guys, if you come to the wallet section here, they have their own wallet in the app. So I want to talk about this token. People don't understand this clearly. So if you come to here, if you come to the box section here, if you come to the message, here is where you can collaborate with people. You can see people have mined something like that. But if you come to this second here, so here you can see I have 14, only 14. Every day you come and claim it, right? What this token is about, this token is a next, or this is the secondary token of the OMG, which is the Omega network, right? Or the Omega coin, which is the OMG, that's the native token, is the secondary coin that can convert to the Omega coin nearby feature or during the but now what you can use this coin for is by interacting, for posting on their this, which is the Omex social media, right? If you here, you can see you can use it to send. So you can see that this all kind of message we use it to send, but in the nearby feature on the other listing, you can convert this token to Omex coin, and Omex coin will be valuable, right? That will be exciting. So Omega network is not just a project, they are building something. So guys, you are not late. You can also follow me once you join it. It's like Pi network, as I was saying, it's like Pi network. You can follow other, right? So this is not too late, so you can start now. So I will leave the link in the description section or comment section of the video. Once you register and you bring it to here, we tap on this hammer icon here. So guys, after that you can see it having started mining. You can see it have started mining here. So now it's 0%. And if you come to this box where you can see the message here you get daily bonus, which is the bonus reward. Every day you unlock your gifts. So every day I have 5 OMG. So open gift box, you can see this 5 OMG bonus every day you will be get. So every day you come here and open your gift box to receive OMG token daily. So you get this based on your mining season or based on your balance you have. So people have 50,000 OMS token. So people, the reason why I was saying that people are not seeing this, or even Pi network mine their season, CCS mining season, CCS, people see Pi network is a scam, Pi network is a scam, but during the end of the day, Pi network list, then Pi network is a legit application. That is how this Omega also it is. Now people are saying Omega is a scam like Pi network, but at the end of the listing or at the end of the day, we see people run to looking for the account. So if you are not serious about Omega network, let me tell you, Omega network is doing the same thing like Pi network. So if you want to get another opportunity of Pi network, this is the opportunity, right? This you are the right place. So I will not say much. So this is your first time come across my channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section, comment section of this video, and join our Telegram channel, join our WhatsApp group where we share an update like this, discuss and give daily opportunities to earn more on this. Please see you guys in my next video.